So we've just mixed our 0.5% solution. Now we want to mix a 0.05% solution, which is a weaker solution used for cleaning your countertops, your doorknobs, your handrails, and other surfaces which do not usually have human bodily fluids. So what are we going to do? It's a very simple process. We already have our 0.5%, which is our 1 in 9 solution. All we need to do is take our same container, or any container for that matter, and we're going to take up 1 part of that solution. So we have 1 part of our 1 in 9 solution, and we are now going to use that 1 part. And once we've added that, then we add 9 parts water to that. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Now we have our 0.05% solution. And there you have it. Thank you very much.